Straight back looks really good. Really good. Well, we've arrived at Clackamas, Oregon. We're staying at Barton Park. It just has electricity and water, so no sewer hookups, but here for a couple nights. Yesterday was quite a long drive. We came up the 97 from Crater Lake, and boy, it just seemed long. We've had some really long drive days. Just trying to get to our destination, trying to get up to actually Glacier National Park. We have to be there a certain time, but we are gonna make some other stops in between now and then. But we're only doing like 2 days here or 1 day there, so that just makes them kind of long drive days and a lot of setup and tear down. So we're gonna be a little tired getting there, but we're so excited to get to the national parks and experience that for the first time as well. I'm actually waiting on our niece to show up. This is my sister's daughter. We're super excited to see her. This is our first time up here visiting her. Actually my first time to Oregon at all. So super excited. Not sure what our day holds. We did talk about doing a river float, so we'll see. We did get our K2 Intex Explorer Kayak, our inflatable kayak, so that's still waiting to get used. So we'll see if today's the day. I'm not sure, but Stan's up on the roof fixing a little, I don't know, little leak, a little gap in the awning there.
Makes stuff slide down and makes a mess.
So what was it? It's like a slit, or just not attached?
See all this right here? What's happening here?
Yeah, and just all that drip down right there.
Yeah, it's horrible.
So it's just a gap in up
well, they didn't silicone it right, so
oh, it's the gap.
I'm trying to seal it from up top, and hopefully
that works.
that worked, but I don't know.
There's you.
Hello. How are you? Good. How are you?
Good
So
to
good
see
to see you. Hi, Uncle Stan. Oh, I see the pups back there.
Yeah. Going to take a look at Willamette Falls. Oh wow. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Niagara.
Right?
Wow.
So there's a big old factory that's kind of like down halfway over the river, hovering over it. And I've heard it's completely abandoned at this point, but I've heard that they're going to turn it into like tourist spots.
I'll help you. Or I could stand and supervise. So this is the opening, the grand opening of our, is it called Explorer, right? Intex K2 Explorer Kayak, 2-person kayak. This is gonna be great. Oh, wow, you got a good spot.
The very first spot in the next lot.
Woohoo!
That was perfect.
That's awesome.
Oh.
Fabulous.
So what you have to do is you have to
Yeah.
put it on there like
Line
this.
it up right
And
there.
you line it up, and it tells you if you have enough air in it or not.
It looks like we need a little bit more, huh? That's cool.
So that's about it. Right
That
there.
it? That's enough air? All
Yep.
right, so we'll take that. And then we've got the, how would you pronounce that?
I think it's Uba-way.
Ubu-way.
Uba-way.
Look at that.
Yeah, and then mine you have to make sure you get at least 1 bar or 15 PSI pressure.
Oh, wow.
As you can see, I'm way off. But
Did it come with this?
it did.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Came with this, came with a fin. I got my oar, and then bought my life vest. So
Yeah, we've
don't
got,
come after me, anybody.
yeah.
I got it.
Yeah. So we're at Oswego Landing, is that what it's called?
So we're
Oswego?
at George Rogers Park and Lake
George-
Oswego.
Okay.
Oswego.
George Rogers Park at Lake Oswego. It's beautiful. Look at this. You had a workout just doing that part of it.
Oh yeah.
Getting a workout just walking around.
Jabbering my jaw here.
I try to swap, so I'm like, okay, work the lats, and then I'm like, okay, tricep push down, and then I'm like switching muscles here.
My chest workout.
Yeah, that's your upper body chest. That's great.
Did you think it was a difficult
No,
project?
it was great.
It's good.
Yeah, no.
I think I had more trouble putting the oars together. You gotta have some strength behind you. But that is the cuteness. Look at this thing. Hopefully it keeps us upright.
Of course it will. You got to carry the back end of it.
I gotta carry the back end. Okay.
The fat one still has to get in, okay?
Stop it. It's negativity.
I can film you guys too.
Yeah, we might get you to get it a little bit. All right, we're in. We're in. We're giving it a try. Here we go. Woohoo! This is great. Setting sail. Look at Brookie go. How are you? We need a figure out how to.
Paddle with your paddle. There you go.
All right. That's a good arm workout. For sure. This thing. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. What is this contraption?
I just want to kind of see. It looks to me like it used to be a bridge, but no.
Oh. Coming in for our landing. That was a successful maiden voyage, boy, I'll say. I enjoyed that very much. Love this thing. It feels so sturdy too.
This thing is pretty good.
Yeah. We give it 5 gems.